Welcome back, guys, to another video. What's the better way to start a video where I go through a lot of food and I meal prep than eating some breakfast? 2 bananas, grapes, 3 eggs, yogurt with blueberries, raspberries, and a bit of maple syrup, and oats, coconut water, and coffee. Best way to start a Saturday. After this, we have to go to the supermarkets and buy some food for the meal prep and for lunch, because I want to make a fresh lunch today instead of having one of my meals, because I want to make some, salmon fresh. But anyways, let's stop yapping, and I'll see you guys after I come back from the supermarkets.
Meanwhile,
we are back from the supermarkets, and let me show you guys what we have gotten. Bro, this totaled up to like $110, which is crazy, but we got this because we needed some more things for this dishwasher. You have milk, eggs, salmon, broccoli, fig, avocado. This is probably for the meal prep. It's bananas, some deodorants, some grapes, and of course, watermelon. But anyways, guys, as I put things back in the fridge, just a little mention here. I've already done a meal prep. Just look at this clip right now. And yeah, that was from yesterday. Like for today, I'm probably just gonna make one meal prep. So probably just like chicken, rice, and broccoli, and maybe some beans too. But yeah. Oh. All done. Right now it is 10 o'clock. Ignore this, guys, it is wrong. It is 10 o'clock. I haven't been able to change it because of daylight savings, but it is still a bit early to make lunch, 10 o'clock. So what I'm going to do instead is work on my other meal prep, I guess. So let me just zoom in and show you guys. So we got some brown rice, which I'm going to start cooking. This is the pan for the broccoli and the beans. And I think I left it in the fridge for too long. But I don't care, I'm still using this. So just cut up this, pop it into that. Cut that, I'll pop it into another pan, and of course, let's cook this. It's only been 15 minutes since I talked to you guys last time, and we already got the beans and the broccoli boiling. Well, not yet, maybe put the fire a bit higher. Got the brown rice boiling already, and now all we need to do is cut up this chicken, pop it here with some ghee or some butter, whatever we have. Maybe add a bit of seasoning, and we are set. So now with the chicken cooking, it is time to add some seasoning. As the rice is cooking, let's actually check on the rice. I think the rice is okay now. Let's have a little taste and let's see. I can't actually tell. The rice is done. Let's try this one now. Yep. This one's done too. So now all that's left is the seasoning for this one. Add in some garam masala, some oregano, just a slight pinch of cayenne pepper since this is very hot. Just a bit of cumin. Slight bit of paprika smoked, and lastly a bit of turmeric. Oh, and how can we forget, guys, some salt. Just a bit more, and now just give this one a mix. Oh my god, it actually smells so good. Woo! So now, yes, I know guys, the stove is messy, but literally 15 minutes we completed this whole thing. I think I put a little bit too much garam masala, but so good. We got the chicken, we got the brown rice, and we have, you know, our veggies. Now the only problem is, since I used all my containers for the other recipe, I only have these two and it won't really fit a good meal, so I'm gonna have to figure out something else to do. And here is the final meal prep. And yes, it took me a while, 11:21 actually. But anyways, as we are letting our salmon cook, I'm probably just gonna have one slice. Here's what ended up happening. Had some sweet potato left, I just popped it in here. And some of this, and I'll probably just make a meal with sweet potato, this, and one of the salmon. One of the salmon will be for my meal right now, 2 sweet potato and this. The rest of this will be frozen. Some of these meals will be frozen. So we've got the chicken, rice, chicken, rice, chicken, rice, chicken, rice, with of course the veggies. And then here we have just some leftover mince with rice. This is probably going to go into the freezer too. But as you see, lots of food and plenty of space to pop it into the freezer. Let's do that now. Just finished cooking up the salmon, and look at this beauty. Meal for tomorrow, meal for today. All that's left is add some more lemon. Gorgeous, look at that. Beautiful stuff. Add some lemon for this one too. And that is it. I overestimated how long it would take to make both my meal and my meal prep. And so 11:40, we are eating a delicious meal. Sweet potato, some veggies, and nice salmon. Look how beautiful that salmon is, with the skin on, of course. Guys, super good news. It is only 12:17 and I've finished everything I need to do. Just look at this. Clean sink, good enough. Clean bench and clean stove, with all the meals sitting in the fridge and the freezer. So far, so good. It's early, like I said, and I've already gotten all my cooking, my meal prepping done. I got some extra snacks and foods like the watermelon and the grapes to have throughout, you know, my days here. And with this done, I still need to do some other chores like the laundry right here, and maybe some vacuuming the floor since it's a bit dirty. But besides that, we're pretty chilling, and we're working what, 6 hours at 6:45, so like still gives me some time to relax. Now, if you still haven't gotten the vibe, I am home alone. I'm 16, my family's in Vietnam, and I'm here, you know, like I said, home alone. So yeah, and I hate cooking every day. I don't want to spend time cooking every day. So it's easy to just go take 2 days, just do everything you need, and then not having to do anything for another week. Imagine that. I have that mince with my veggies, 6 meals. Now I made that salmon thing for 2 meals. And of course, my chicken with the rice. And of course, the veggies again, the broccoli and the beans, 4 meals. In total, since I just ate 1, that gives me 11 meals still. And if I eat 2 meals a day, like lunch, dinner, I just make my breakfast on time, that would mean 6.5 days of just that. Basically, I meal prepped for a whole week. I don't have to clean anything else in the kitchen for a whole week, thanks God. But yeah guys, that was the gist of this video. Show you guys my meal preps and how even if you're young and you're home alone, you can still eat healthy and you still don't have to cook. Just follow exactly what I do. You don't have to track macros and calories and all that. Just get a carb source, just get veggies, and just get a protein source, and you're all chilling. Have fruits for snack, have veggies for meals. That's what I always think. Now I'm gonna go, like I said, just do some more chores and watch some Netflix, maybe eat some snacks after, have a shower, and then get ready for work. And that's really all for today, guys. So thank you so much for watching. If you like more of these meal prep videos, just drop a like, subscribe, comment. I like your meal preps, and I can actually make some more specific ones regarding the macros and the micronutrients and calories and all that. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you all for the next one. Ciao.